Hey, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to another tutorial on DevStack. In this tutorial, you're welcome to the first Laravel tutorial. So this is gonna be a playlist on my YouTube channel where I'm gonna be teaching you Laravel. We're gonna be building a simple application. If you're new to an application, the best thing you need to work with is building a code application, which is you create, read, update, delete. So that's what we're gonna be looking at. Okay. So without further ado, let's just dive into it. So let's head over to documentation. Head over to documentation. So literally, the first thing we need to do is set up Laravel. And before you can set up Laravel, you need to have Composer installed. So head over to Google and search for Composer. You have to have Composer. So Composer is a package manager for PHP. It's just like the Node package manager, which is the NPM. All right. Just like the Node package manager, which is the LPM. All right. So this is a dependency manager. All right. So you can go ahead and click on download. So once you've clicked on download, if you're using Windows, just go ahead and download this. And if you're using Linux, you can go ahead and just copy this instruction. So I have Composer installed already. So you should go ahead and open your terminal. So Windows R, then type CMD, or just search for CMD right here. Just go ahead and search for CMD here. Not CMD, sorry, I mean command prompt. So that's it there. Okay. So go ahead and type Composer here. You should click enter. This is actually going to show you a list of commands showing you that Composer has been installed. All right, good. So what we want to do now is add option. So this is so to install Laravel. We can install Laravel in our system so that we can be able to call it anytime we need it, or we can just create our project directory using the Composer. So what I did was I installed Laravel on my system. So I can call it anytime I need. So this is installation via Composer. That is to say, you can just create your project directly like this using Composer, create Laravel, the name of a project. Or you can go ahead and install Laravel globally. Anytime I want to create a project, you can call Laravel the name of your project. Alright, so we are going to be using this. So I have that installed already. So, but if you don't, just go ahead and paste that in and click enter. Alright, so once that is done, what we want to do is do this. So you should be able to type Laravel now, and you should be able to get some few commands on the screen. Right, so let's wait for the command. Okay, once that has done, you're gonna be using Laravel. Then the new command takes in a project name. So the new is a command, this is a command, then you take in the project name. So the project name can be anything you want to name it. Right, so you can see I have this showing that it has been installed. So let's go ahead and create a project. So I'm going to set it into my document folder, and I'm going to create a new project, Laravel new to do. So the to do is the name of my project. So click enter, and now you can see Laravel is creating the project for us. So the same way, you can also just copy this, paste it on terminal, and delete this example app and just put to do. It's still the same thing. Okay, so that is just it. Let's wait for this to install. Okay. All right, so it has been installed already. All right, so what I want to do now is just let's clear this. So sit into the project directory, which is to do. Then we have some commands in Laravel. So I'm just going to show you PHP artisan. So we are not going to be looking at that in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be looking at it. So this is just the first tutorial, which is installing this. So there's a tutorial there, which is PHP artisan serve. So this allows us to run our PHP application. So let's just go ahead and try this. And let's do PHP artisan serve. So this is going to serve the application for us on the local server, which is at the port 8000. This is right here. So we can go ahead and copy this. And let's head over to our browser. Sorry, let's head over to our browser. I should go ahead and paste this here. So you're gonna see our Laravel application have been installed. All right, so you've set up your Laravel application. All right, so in the next tutorial, we're gonna be looking at how to work with controllers and routes and a little lot of things. All right, see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Later, guys.